Hello and welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well. So we are having, some buying momentum over there on Bitcoin after a couple of good news. Heard yesterday that Binance is opening another exchange in Japan and offering crypto services over there, and that caused the Bitcoin to jump. But before going to look at that, if anyone want to join us for membership or training, just simply go wave-trader.com, and there are the members. You can check those members, and if you're looking for further information, just fill the form and send that to me. All right, so now let's get back to the Bitcoin. So we are having update about this. All right, so we were expecting buying, short-term buying within that a chart, and we got a nice move, bullish move over there on Bitcoin after the news broke out that the Binance is going to offer its services in Japan as well. So let's look at the previous video analysis first, and then we're going to talk about what we can expect from current price and the formation which you are looking for this to break up and price to go back up. All right, so if I'm going to look at the BNB, right? So BNB is trying to break up, so slightly aggressive, we can say that, but Bitcoin is not so aggressive, but BNB is slightly aggressive. So that kind of breakout you are looking. Okay, so like this. There will be update later on. Okay, so on BNB, so it's trying to break out. Yeah, trying to break out of that wedge. All right, so this correction is slightly aggressive, and I'm expecting it to just continue. So basically after the central banks rate the same. So similarly, you are looking for Bitcoin to do that. All right, so aggressive breakout. Okay, and clear those hurdles and continue to keep pushing more higher all the way. So if you're not going to get that breakout, if breakout is not coming and this correction is breaking for another leg, okay, then test this low or form new low and then continue to keep pushing more higher. All right, so if I'm going to go back to the bigger picture is still same, which I have explained in the previous video analysis as well. Okay, don't forget that bigger formation. Okay, this possibility still exists over there. I'm not anticipating, yeah, but in case if that breakdowns come, then you are, ready for that. So what now? Chart is clearly telling us that what you are expecting, this to be aggressive and go back up, or another leg lower and then go back up. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so we clearly can see that price is just simply running within that structure, the structure which we have seen previously in this previous video analysis. Okay, and if I'm going to go to the 1 hour time frame, so there we can see that we got that correction, broken down, another correction, and again broken down and testing this previous low. So what you are simply looking for, you are looking for a short-term price to hold this previous low and go back up, very much similar like these moves, okay, or these moves back to that top, and short-term target going to be over there. And if you're going to get a strong break up, okay, then continue to keep pushing more higher all up to the previous top and possible breakout for more upside. If I'm going to go to the 4 hour time frame, okay, so that's what you are looking right now, price to bounce off, go back up there up to that top. And if you're not going to get that and price keeps sliding down, right, then again you are looking for the same move, a strong aggressive rise over there. And if you don't get that strong aggressive rise, another correction, and then one keep dragging lower within this bigger daily correction, daily flag. So simply, the move is still corrective. If I'm going to look at this daily time frame, we can see that the move is still very, very corrective to the downside. And the good thing is that the daily trend is just coming over there to hold that correction. So we can see over there that we can see that the moving average are going to support over there. So we are looking still this to break out for next leg, something like that. All right, and again the bigger structure hasn't changed. All right, in case if this mess which is over there, it gets bigger, then all the way back to that previous low, this bigger formation, and then continue to keep pushing more higher. So I'm not anticipating that, but we can clearly see that the price is giving us a bigger correction. This correction is getting bigger. So on lower time frame, looking for a short-term move back to the top, and if you're going to get that, then all the way to break out and go all the way to that top. All right. So yeah, so we can see that the price is still, you know, struggling within these 1 hour moving averages. Okay, and the trend is still bearish. All right, the trend is still bearish. So price is just staying below, so it's still bearish. So you're looking it to find this low and go back up, this move back to that top, and possible breakout in coming days. So let's see what we're gonna get that. So this is the update on Bitcoin. So thank you. Okay, so that was the previous video analysis. We were expecting bounce off on the Bitcoin. We got a bounce off, all right, and the short-term move which we were expecting over there on this 1 hour time frame, that has reached its you know, short-term target, and the price is just simply falling after that, right, after hitting that high. So it seems that the Bitcoin is not going to continue for more upside, as we are having other bad news right now in the market, like the credit rating downgrade of the US by the Fitch, and that's, you know, putting pressure on the indices as well. So I'm not anticipating Bitcoin to break through after having those news and continue to keep pushing more higher. All right, I'm not anticipating, but that's what we are looking. All right, I'm not anticipating right now in the current environment. The news broke out, but we are still looking it to do that. All right, if it does not break out, okay, and keep dragging lower, okay, another leg lower, very much similar like these moves, all right, and retest this low or test that, you know, daily moving averages over there, and then continue to keep pushing more higher. So we are having short-term target. We can say that over there, that target has reached. So on a daily time frame, we are still there where we were previously. Okay, we got some buying momentum over there. Clearly you can see that the once price tagged within those moving averages, buyers jumped in. All right, buyers started to jump in. So let me check the exchange. All right, so what it says that either we are having buyers over there sitting at moving average or not. So if so, then obviously you are paying attention over there. So that daily is being held, we can see clearly over there. So let's check. So some buyers are sitting over there at 2860, these areas, okay, within the moving averages. So they are trying to buy at these areas. There you can see that at 2850. So you know, almost 400 bitcoins is sitting over there to get into the market. So 400 Bitcoin liquidity is just sitting over there. So it's a good place, yeah. So as shown that we still may see another leg lower, okay, another leg lower within that correction for upside. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go look at the 4 hour time frame, yeah. So this is your you know, formation. So price is struggling under those moving averages. We can see clearly over there, okay. Try to broke through that, but struggling. So we still may see another leg lower back to that bottom or new low. All right, so we are not interested into that move. We are more interested to break up or give us a buy leg from the lows. That's the update, guys. Thank you.